Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of open apps which you don't use at this moment, they can slow down your device's performance by eating out its memory. So what you can do about them? If you have a 3-button navigation setup, you will have the recent button here, so you can just tap on this button. If you have navigation with gestures, you access this menu like this by slightly swiping your finger up and then holding it. You can access recent section, and here you can see all of your opened apps. If you want to close them all at once, just slide here and find this button, clear all. Tap on it and all these apps will be closed at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.